Now guys, to make this recipe you're going to need 150 grams of frozen blueberries. You can use fresh, frozen are way cheaper. I've got 50 grams of walnuts, 200 grams of coconut cream, 30 grams of rice malt syrup, and 40 grams of coconut condensed milk. Okay, so into the blender we want to put our blueberries, followed by our coconut cream, the walnuts, followed by our rice malt syrup, and then our sweetened condensed coconut milk. You can add some walnuts on here or pistachio nuts. I'm adding just a few walnuts on the top there. Now this breakfast pudding is also gluten-free and it is dairy-free. Top it up with some muesli or a topping of your choice and it is absolutely delicious. Feel free to leave a comment below telling me what your favourite toppings are, and until next time I hope you have a fantastic and safe week. Take care, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.